continuing on with our lineups for 2023, we start moving into some of the smaller teams, obviously. And this is a 250 only team, being X Suzuki. In this team, we've got Carson Mumford, who broke his arm, so probably out for the West, so probably going to be racing East. Who knows? Derek Drake, Robbie Wageman, who they stole from Team Solitaire, and Ty Masterpool, who has shown a lot of speed in his time. Last year's records, let's go over that before we do. Carson Mumford was 12th in the West. Drake was 10th in the East. Preston Kilroy didn't play. I don't know why that's even... don't know that's in here, but whatever. Doesn't matter. And Dylan Schwartz was 24th on the West. And motocross, Mumford 17th. Drake 20th. Kilroy 19th. Schwartz 29th. So obviously this is just a 250 team. There is no 450 side to this. It's a, sign some guys, give them a good team, a good bike, good program, and then let them go. Obviously it's kind of a starter team, being a smaller, I wouldn't call this privateer, but on that side of things, they're not pro circuit and they're not star racing. They're, starter. But I mean, it is a really cool thing and a good thing to give some guys who aren't on the factory level or aren't on the factory radar a platform. Obviously, they can get on a bike. If they show some speed, they can race here for a year, two, maybe whatever, and either sign up for 250 or maybe a 450 with the point outs. Who knows how that's going to work? But I think it's cool. Robbie Wageman I've seen a lot of because I follow Team Solitaire, and their social media is hilarious. So I think they'll do good. Carson Mumford, we'll see how well he does coming back from his broken wrist. The other two I don't really know very much of, so in the comments below you tell me if you know anything. If you have any ideas or opinions on this team or how well they're going to do, better than they did last year, about the same, who knows. But whatever it is, in the comments below, leave it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you want. And with that, I'll see y'all later.